This is how to transfer crypto from Airtm to Coinbase. For you to do that, you have to sign in to both your Coinbase app and your Airtm app. You can see I currently have over $6 in USDC. For you to send any crypto to Coinbase, you have to go to Coinbase first to see the cryptos that is accepted and the network you can use, because you have to use the same network when you are doing transfer. You can see this is my Coinbase app. Usually the common currency on Airtm is USDC. So let's see the network you are going to use to transfer USDC from Airtm to Coinbase. To transfer, you tap on transfer. You can send crypto and you can receive crypto. If you are from Nigeria and from most of African countries, these two functions will work for you on Coinbase, especially if you want to receive your coin app and some other cryptos from other platforms. So to receive crypto, you tap receive crypto. This is where you search, but I don't need to search because USDC is already here. You can see here, this is USDC. So I will tap USDC. You can see here, for any crypto transfer, you need to use the same network from where you are transferring from and to where you are transferring to, so that you don't lose your asset. So in this case, you have to select your network. These are a list of different networks that you can choose on Coinbase. For this asset I'm choosing, that is USDC. But the best network you can use on Airtm that is cost effective is Stellar for USDC. If you come here, you can see Stellar. Stellar will take like this seconds to get to the destination. So I will select Stellar. You make sure you copy this address and this USDC memo as your USDC wallet address on Coinbase. We are back to Airtm. So for you to do this transfer, you tap withdraw. Negative, that's withdraw. You can see select payment method. You select new payment method. What we are sending to Coinbase is crypto. We choose cryptocurrency. These are different cryptos that you can transfer from Airtm to any platform. You search for USDC here. You can see USDC Stellar Network direct transfer. So you select USDC. Suppose you want to transfer $3. I currently have over $6 in my account on Airtm, but let's assume I want to transfer $3. I will tap $3 here. The minimum USDC I can transfer using Stellar Network on Airtm is $1. Currently, you can transfer as much as you have. So you come down. You have two options. You can use two methods to do your transfer: peer-to-peer and direct transfer. But the method that I want to use now is direct transfer. I will scroll down. Look at it. This method. This is the amount I'm transferring. This is the amount I will get on my Coinbase. So if I'm okay, I will just tap continue. This is where you set up your Coinbase detail, that wallet address and memo. This is where you set up the destination wallet address. That is, in this case, Coinbase, because I'm sending the money to Coinbase. If you are sending to your personal account on Coinbase, you select personal. If you are sending to a third party, that is somebody else, somebody that is your friend, you tap third party. Since I'm sending to my personal account on Coinbase, I will leave it as personal. I will come to this place, add new configuration. I will tap it on your app. This is where you label your address so that you'll be able to know that this is a particular platform's address. In this case, I will label this as my Coinbase address. I'll come down. This way I will paste the Coinbase wallet address I already copied. Make sure that you pasted the full address to avoid mistake. You come down here to input the memo. After proper setup of your address on Coinbase, you see your Coinbase address. So you select it. You can see this is my Coinbase address. You tap continue. You can see I'm sending $3. I will get this amount. I will tap submit. You insert your authentication. I will paste my authentication. Authentication pasted. Direct withdraw funds pending. The funds has been transferred to Coinbase. On Airtm, the $3 has been deducted. So you go and confirm on Coinbase account. You can see the money is in Coinbase. So this is how you transfer crypto from Airtm to your Coinbase account. Thank you.